you all are doing well. Today I will be teaching you how to write the Arabic letter, since we all know that the shape of a letter would always depend on its position within a word. However, and only with the letter Alif, Dal, Dal, Ra, Zay, and Waw would known to be as the non-connected letters, which I'm going to show you within this video what I'm talking about. But for now, let's start with the letter Ba, Ta, and Tha. In the beginning of the word, they are gonna look like exactly the same, it's just that would differ them the dots, and they would always attach to what's on its right side. In the middle of the word, they are gonna look like this, connected from both sides. And if they appeared in the end of the word, they will look exactly the same way how you write them as an isolated letter. It's just that you are gonna connect on its left side. Moving on to letter Jeem, Ha, and Khaa. For beginning, Jeem, Ha, Khaa will look like this. Jeem has a dot underneath, Ha no dots, and Khaa a dot above. Same way you write them in the middle of the word and in the end of the word. They're gonna look exactly the same the way how you write them in the isolated form. It's just that you will connect them. For the letter Sheen and Sheen, Sheen in the beginning will get connected, same with Sheen, but 3 dots above, middle, and the end of the word. Sheen, Sheen, Sad, Dad, beginning, Sad no dots, Dad 1 dot, middle, and in the end of a word. Ta and Dha, Ayn and Ghayn. In the beginning of the word, it's just gonna look like this. However, in the middle and the end, it's not gonna look the same. You kinda have to close it. Fa and Kaf. Beginning, middle, and end. Just gonna add 2 dots for Kaf and 1 dot for Fa. Moving on to Kaf, Lam, Meem, and Noon. Kaf wouldn't look the same, just gonna write it like this. Lam, Meem, Meem you could write it in 2 ways. It could be the circle up or down. Noon, just like Ba, Ta, Tha, but 1 dot above. In the middle of the word, Kaf will look like this. Lam, Meem, and Noon. For the end of the word, they're gonna look the same as their isolated format. Ha and Ya. Ya would look like the Ba, Ta, Tha, just 2 dots below, and Ha looks different in the beginning, middle, and the end format. Let's move to the non-connect letters. There are 6 letters that would never get connected regardless of what letter is gonna be on their right side, which are Alif, Dal, Dhal, Ra, Zay, and Waw. In the beginning of the word, they will end up looking the same just like how you write them, but for middle and the end of a word, if they appeared, you're gonna write them under 2 ways. If a connected letter came before them, then you will connect them. But if a non-connected letter came before them, including those letters, then you are going to write them just like how you do when they appear in the beginning of a word. Exercise time! Before I end this video, I would like you to do some practice. Let's connect the following letters together to get a word. I would recommend you to draw a circle on all the non-connected letters you see. So we have 3 alifs. We write alif alone. Noon wouldn't get connected to alif. but would get to the other alif, another noon, another mid alif, and Sheen. Ananas, ananas, pineapple. Our second word, again, as I told you, always highlight all the non-connected letters. And for this example, we got two, the waw and the mid alif. Fa in the beginning. Waw is gonna get connected because fa is a connected letter. Alif sitting between a non-connected letter, so you're gonna write it alone. Kaf, ha. Fawakeh means fruits. And last example, ra is a non-connected letter and mid alif. Ra is gonna be written alone. Meem will get connected with the alif. Noon, since there's nothing to be connected with, you can write it alone. So rumman means pomegranate. To my last question, which letter of the following would not join to any other letter on its left side? Is it waw, ha, or kaf? Please leave your answers in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Ma salame.